Okay, now I'm done coloring my template. So this is how John the Baptist looks like, and this is how the Jesus illustration looks like. Now I'm going to grab some double-sided tape, and using my scissors, I'm just going to cut a very short piece and place it at the end of my popsicle stick. Now I'm going to remove the double-sided tape film, because this is where we're going to stick the illustration of Jesus. Now we're not done yet, we're almost done. Let me grab my cellophane or my blue plastic, and I'm just gonna cover the bottom half of my template like this. So because I'm already happy with the placement, I'm gonna flip my craft over, grab my glue stick, and I'm just gonna glue the sides of the blue plastic to the back of my base coloring page. Like this. And if you want, you can cut the excess that is hanging off the bottom of your craft. And now, we are done with our craft. All we have to do is insert this popsicle stick with the illustration of Jesus and place it next to John the Baptist, and we can finally see him going down the water and getting baptized. Ta-da! Isn't it such a cool craft? When Jesus was baptized, like this, he showed us the perfect example of obedience to God. In fact, Jesus didn't need to be baptized for his sins because he never sinned. Instead, his baptism showed his commitment to God's plan to save us. And through his example, we learn that salvation is a gift from God. It's not something we earn. We are saved by grace through faith. That's it for today, kids. I'll see you next time for another amazing craft. Bye! Excited ka na ba sa fun, learning at adventure? Tara at mag-time travel tayo sa iba't ibang kwento mula sa Biblia. Kasama sila Justin, Andy at Corky. Sasakay tayo sa amazing flying house and super cool time machine ni Professor Bombo. At syempre, kasama rin ang smart robot na si Sir. Let's go, explore, and believe. Kasama ang The Flying House. Every Monday to Sunday, 4 p.m. Dito sa Live TV. Handa ka na ba sa isang nakaka-excite adventure?
Hello, hello. Huwag matakot. Ang tagapagligtas na robot ay narito na. Ah,
Sumama sila Chris, Joy at Gizmo sa Superbook. Subaybayan ang mga kamanghamang kwento sa Biblia.
wala naman akong ginawang kakaiba. Nagtulungan lang kaming dalawa. At pinagbabayad kami ng Diyos.
Matuto ng mahalagang aral at mag-enjoy sa bawat sandali sa Superbook Classic. Monday to Sunday, 4:30 to 5 p.m. Dito sa Mag-Favorite. Sagot namin ang araw-araw na fun, learnings, at enjoyment ng mga kids. Tiny Kitchen. Ano kaya meron natin for today? Kids HQ. Fun, learning, and surprising adventures. Kids Church.
It's from who? It's from God.
Usapan Kids. O'Reilly. Flying House.
Pinrente ito ni Jesus sa kanyang mga disciples isang araw.
Superbook Classic.
Narinig ko Diyos ang kasi.
Exciting talaga ang araw-araw na experience ng mga kids. Kaya palagi tumuto sa mga programa ng Live TV.
Magsisimula na po ba?
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ang telebisyon at pelikula ay mahalagang parte ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. It plays a crucial role in telling our own stories and our own experiences as Filipinos. Bagong Pilipinas, inaanyayahan ng MTRCB ang bawat manonood.
Kasama ang pribadong sektor, kaisa ninyo ko, ang aking pamilya, at ang ating pamahalaan sa pagtangkilik sa mga pelikulang Pilipino at mga programang pang-telebisyon. Buong Pilipino, tara, nood tayo.
Ngayong hapon sa Live TV. Bulan sa Live TV. Up next, Oyali on Live TV. Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata. La la la, la la la, la la. Uy, what's up, mga sapsap? Uy, ano ba dali? May lakad? Uy, kamusta ka na? Mahal na ng Mela. Ay! Ay! Ano to? Saan na tayo ito mga to? Ew! Basura! Tuhod na!
Wala kayo nung kabataan ko. Pagputok ng baril, abay, nagulat ako. Hindi ako maganda tatakbo. Pero napagtanto ko simula na pala ang takbuhan. Abay, humapol ako. Napakabilis ko talagang tumakbo. Naunahan ko pa nga si Jacinta.
Ito na ang today's special. Ang paborito ninyo sopa. Uy, tama na. Balik kayo. Pagtulungan na muna ako dito. Di handa ako. Ay!
Ay, ako! Ay, ako! Ay, bakit yan? Ang ganito pa ako.